Why? Good morning, babes. This is my morning face. This is me without any makeup on. And you know, I'm still slaying. Your boy is still slaying. Anyway, so guys, I need a favor from you guys. I want you guys to help me decide, because if you notice, my walls, they're beginning to look a bit terrible, honestly, and I think it's because of the quality of the paint that was used, which is a bummer because the paint I used in this room is actually quite expensive, so you would think that it will hold on for long, but no, the humidity is affecting the paint and it is beginning to fade and just look terrible. So I actually plan to repaint my room next month, but I want you guys to help me decide on a color to paint. So I have 3 colors in mind. I have a pale green color that I found on Pinterest. I also have like a pale pink color as well. And then a pale sky blue. Something colorful, but like a pale tint to it. Not as deep as this, because I want this room to be brighter. So let me know what you guys think I should go with. The pale green, the pale pink, or like the sky blue. Let me know. Guys, my Zizi is doing what it does best. It's gracing me. Oh. Some of you know that I can't keep these guys alive. They just always yellow for me. Guys, the new leaf on my alopecia pink dragon is just, oh my goodness, it's giving me joy. It's much bigger than the older leaf. And can I blow your mind? This is growing entirely in cocoa coir, guys. Entirely in cocoa coir. So it's growing in cocoa coir, and I just fertilize it when I water once every 2 weeks. And it pushed out this massive leaf. Like, it hasn't even finished hardening. My cleaner broke this my cute Decor piggy bank. I still have part of the cracked chips. Hope I haven't misplaced it because I'm so clumsy. Oh, I think this is it, yeah. So while I go and get a new fan, I'm also gonna get super glue so we could fix it together. It seems like an easy fix. Yeah, we'll fix it together with super glue. Like, it's so adorable, and she broke it. I was like, why? But thankfully it seems fixable. Jesus, you see, I'm a clumsy person. Okay, still fixable. Let me drop it. Oh god. I haven't watered this snake plant in 900 years, so let's rectify that. Let's finally give her some water. So I always keep this cute pink basin underneath the pot, and then I water it so the water drips and catches into this and doesn't make a mess. I haven't shown you guys my like decor shelf thing. I got this really cute books. Like, they're so small and cute. I got them from AliExpress a while ago, and let me show you what's inside. It just has this drawings of like different flowers. I mean, I love it, and I'm glad I bought it. Oh, this is pretty. And this because I'm such a chronic overthinker. I used to be a chronic overthinker, not so much anymore, but yeah, I just have it next to my bed to remind myself not to. Don't overthink it. And in this corner, this is like my decor bookshelf. Most of the books here are for decorative purposes, but I still have read a couple of them. I really love this one, Purple Hibiscus by Chimamanda. She's one of my favorite authors. I love it. I just don't like how it ended through. Because I've got my Bible. Because Let me Christian girly. This book on plants, somebody gifted me this book on plants, and God, it has so much misinformation. It was written in 1997. Like, they legit called an aglaonema or a Dieffenbachia an aglaonema, and I was like, how did this even get published? Yeah, but thank God we're at a better age of information right now. But it makes a cute decor piece. And then imagine having the Bible next to a Jackie Collins novel. Who remembers Jackie Collins? I used to read this as a teenager back in the day. God forgive me. But yeah. Guys, I just got an air fryer and I'm so obsessed with it. Like, I literally air fry every and anything. So maybe I might even have like an air fry made dish today. But if you know any air fry recipes, please drop them in the comments. Like, I am obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Of course, I had to customize it with like some stickers. But yeah. Can I be completely honest with you guys? Packing orders is my least favorite thing about selling plants. It seems like such a chore to me. Like, I'm like, oh my God. I want to buy fan. Standing fan. Something affordable at night. How much is that one?
This one.
Yeah.
5.
Hey! Jesus. This one, okay. Oh, this
one. That's one.
Is that the cheapest one?
Yeah.
What about this?
Same price.
31. Oh, that is the best price.
That's the last price.
This original LG. How much is it?
It's 80.
I'm sure it's original LG. Are you sure? How about this? Oh, I like this one.
Oh,
It makes it feel like food. I don't know about you guys, but using super glue just always frightens me. It seems like such a daunting thing to do. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Look at the liquid sea blue. La 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 la. I'm doing this right. Maybe I should take this off. Okay, moment of truth. I have to make sure I fix this the right way. Oh, just trying to do this with my dress. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Just gonna leave it to dry. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's salvaged. That's all that matters. So guys, let's go outside and finish reporting my agave. I started it yesterday, but I couldn't finish because they had begun the construction. But I think they've paused for now, so let's go outside and finish up. I won't spend so much time outside though, because it still looks like a construction mess. So we'll just report the agave and come back inside and probably fix something to eat. Oh, and by the way, do you guys love my new phone case? It came in the mail today. So much has actually happened today. It's been a good day. I love it, guys. I absolutely loved it. Way better than the other one, if you ask me. So yeah. Guys, my euphorbia is giving me an unusual flower. So this is the regular flower petal, and then look at this one. Beautiful. you.